Meta has just released what I believe is one of the most exciting tech products of 2025. It launched first in the United States, and honestly, it hasn't received nearly the attention it deserves. The official presentation was a complete mess. Everything that could go wrong went wrong. But beyond the chaos on stage, the product itself is absolutely fascinating. The new Meta Riven display. If you're familiar with the original Riven Meta glasses, you know they were already eye-catching. Imagine those same glasses, but taken to a completely new level. These have a screen built directly into the lens, meaning you can read messages, view notifications, interact with apps, and even see in real time what you're recording, all through your eyes. You're literally carrying a digital interface floating in front of you. The first time you hold them, you can feel the difference. At first glance, they look like normal glasses, but powering them on feels like stepping into the future. The clarity of the display is astonishing. It's hard to believe something so small can be so sharp. It projects to only one eye, but the visual experience is incredible. We're talking about a 600 by 600 pixel screen that, despite its size, offers incredible detail. This isn't just checking notifications. It is like having a tiny computer embedded right in your vision, seamlessly and naturally integrated. The real magic lies in the neural band, the bracelet that accompanies the glasses. It's not just a wearable accessory, it measures the electromyographic activity of your tendons and translates your hand gestures into digital commands. Every finger movement is detected instantly, and the bracelet vibrates with real-time haptic feedback. This means you can control the glasses without touching anything, simply by moving your hand, almost like controlling technology with your mind. The potential here is massive, though it's not without limitations. The touch interface on the glasses is a bit slow and requires getting used to. Some gestures have to be exaggerated for recognition, and not all apps work outside of the Meta ecosystem. Yet when it works, it feels like pure science fiction. Battery life is around 6 hours for mixed use, with the charging case extending it to 24 hours. The bracelet charges separately, which requires some extra attention, but the overall experience justifies the effort. Audio performance is also impressive. The integrated speakers deliver a quality experience reminiscent of open-back headphones. Sound does leak slightly, which may be noticeable in quiet spaces, but it's a small trade-off for not having earbuds in your ears. The camera is another standout feature. You can take photos and videos while seeing exactly what the camera sees through the display. This completely transforms the user experience. You can frame shots, check details, and capture content without ever looking at your phone. For casual photography and video, it's brilliant. However, these glasses are still very much an early adopter product. Integrated AI is not yet as powerful as ChatGPT or other advanced models. Ideally, you'd want these glasses to connect to Gmail, Google Maps, and third-party apps to unlock their full potential. Right now, you're largely tied to Meta's ecosystem. You can view notifications, read messages, take photos and videos, but browsing the web, opening Instagram or Facebook, or reading articles in full isn't possible yet. This makes the experience more of a futuristic preview than a fully practical tool for everyday life. That said, the hardware is nothing short of brilliant. These glasses aren't bulky or awkward like previous models. They're lightweight, comfortable, and visually striking. The integrated display is crystal clear. The bracelet responds instantly, and everything feels smooth and intuitive. It's a precision engineering marvel. Fitting all this technology into such a compact and functional device is no small feat. Yet, as with any first-generation product, there are trade-offs. You need to manage two devices, learn the gesture system, and adapt to a learning curve that could put off casual users. Additionally, the display only projects to the right eye, which may be inconvenient for some. Price is also a consideration. $800 in the US, roughly the cost of a high-end smartphone. This positions the glasses as a premium accessory rather than a replacement for a laptop or independent device. Still, despite these limitations, it's impossible not to be excited about what they represent. We're getting a glimpse of a world where augmented reality and AI are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Imagine a future where all the information you need appears in front of your eyes. Without ever needing a phone or computer, it's genuinely exhilarating. In summary, the Meta Riven display is a technological triumph. The hardware is exceptional, The AI and sensor integration is futuristic. While the user experience is limited right now, the potential is enormous. Today, it's mainly for tech enthusiasts and early adopters, not the general public. As software improves and more developers create compatible apps, these glasses could become an essential part of our digital lives. For now, they offer a tantalizing glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Meta's latest innovation, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future explorations of technology that feels straight out of science fiction. Because we're living in a time where the line between fantasy and reality is disappearing fast. And these glasses are proof that the future is already here.